Hello, myself is Abhishek Kumar Chopra from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT Jaipur. I am deliver a video lecture of this topic. My topic is current source inverter and voltage source inverter. First explain what is inverter. This is the content. First is what is a inverter, what is a current source inverter, what is a voltage source inverter. Explain inverter. Basic definition. An inverter is a device that changes direct current input to alternative current AC output. DC input change to AC output. It does not create or make electricity, just change it from one form to another. DC in is changed to AC output. The input voltage, output voltage and frequency and overall power handling depend on the design of the specific device. The inverter does not produce any power. The power is provided by the DC source. The advantage of inverter is no need of an output transformer. Efficiency is high. The current rating of power device is equal to the load current. This is the advantage. Disadvantage is number of 4 transistors are used. Cost is high. Application of inverter. It is used in industrial and domestic application. First one is it is used in UPS with battery. It is used in solar panel. It is used in HVDC transmission. It is used as a backup purpose. Next topic is current source inverter. A current source inverter converts the input DC current to an AC current and its output terminal. In this inverter, input voltage is maintained constant and the amplitude of output voltage does not depend on the load. The waveform of load current as well as its magnitude depend on the nature of the load impedance. In this inverter, input current is constant but adjustable. The amplitude of output current from current source inverter independent of the load. A current source inverter is one in which the source current is predetermined and the load impedance determines the output voltage. The supply current cannot change quickly. The current is controlled by series DC supply inductance. This is the diagram of current source inverter. In this 4 diode, 4 thyristor and capacitor used. In this the current is constant. Input current is constant but adjustable. The output current does not depend on the load and the magnitude of the output voltage and its waveform depend on the nature of the load impedance. The type of operation in this case is ASCI, auto sequential commutated inverter. In this circuit, 6 thyristor, 6 diode, 3 capacitors are needed. This is the 3-phase current source inverter. In this 6 diode, 6 thyristor, 6 capacitor used and current is constant the input side. The supply current cannot change quickly, and the current is controlled by series DC supply inductance. Advantage of the current source inverter is feedback diode are not required in current source inverter. There is a short circuit protection for supply when incoming transistor are switched on before the outgoing transistor become off. Speed control of AC motor, it is used in induction heating, and its advantage is synchronous motor starting. This is the disadvantage of current source inverter. It need a extra converter stage. At light load it has sluggish performance. Next topic is voltage source inverter. Voltage source inverter is one in which the DC input voltage is essentially constant. Feedback diode are necessary. Its classification is series, parallel and bridge inverter. This is the diagram of voltage source inverter. In this, the voltage is constant at input side by the use of capacitor and switch. First one is SW1, SW2, SW3, SW4, SW5 and SW6. It is a power semiconductor device, and in this we use IGBT. In this, input voltage is maintained constant. Advantage is output voltage waveform does not depend on type of load, small in size, and disadvantage is protection against short circuit is difficult. Difference between voltage source inverter and current source inverter. First one is input voltage is maintained constant, and input in current source inverter input current is constant but adjustable. Second one is the output voltage does not depend on the load, and in current source inverter the output current does not depend on the load. The magnitude of the output current and its waveform depend on the nature of the load impedance. In current source inverter, the magnitude of the output voltage and its waveform depend on the nature of the load impedance. It required feedback diode, and in current source inverter it does not require feedback diode. In voltage source inverter, its circuit is complicated and it contains capacitor and inductance, and in current source inverter it is a very simple circuit and it contains only capacitor. This is the basic idea of inverter, voltage source inverter, current source inverter, the difference between voltage source inverter and current source inverter. Thanks.